Blown insulation 480-885-0944 Mesa, Arizona. The unique qualities of blown insulation. When it comes to insulating a home, few options are as cost-effective as blowing in insulation. Compared to other kinds of insulation, such as bats or rolls, blown insulation is also fairly easy to install, particularly if it is done by an experienced professional. Instead of rolling or crawling around inside a room to place sheets over windows and doors, contractors can simply blow the insulation to the desired location, ensuring every nook and cranny is filled with warm air. If the contractor does not feel confident blowing in the insulation at all, they may also choose to just place a layer of insulation between the walls and the ceiling, which act as a barrier to heat transfer. Regardless of how it is installed, this extra layer can go a long way towards lowering energy bills. In addition to being a cost-effective alternative to other kinds of insulation, it is also a safe option, since it is never used that way in traditional houses. However, blowing in insulation has its own pros and cons. One of the most noticeable and significant pros to opting for blown insulation in attics is that it is a more environmentally friendly option. Since insulation does not release any harmful emissions into the air, it is particularly appealing to homeowners who are concerned about their family's health. Since the blankets are made from blown-in fiberglass, no fumes or toxins are released during installation or later. If there are issues with allergies or asthma, however, it is always best to take medical advice before proceeding with any type of change to one's lifestyle. Like rolled or bats of insulation, blown insulation has its pros and cons, but nothing compares to the unique qualities of a fiberglass batting system. Fiberglass has the lowest R value of all materials used for wall framing because it is so dense and has excellent thermal qualities. Also, unlike rolled bats and rolls, parts made from recycled materials never lose their R value after being exposed to different weather conditions. If you need insulation for your home or office, consider contacting a professional to discuss what types of blankets would be best for your needs.